Welcome to today's video where we're diving into the world of delicious low-carb, high-protein dishes. If you're looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle without compromising on flavor, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be exploring a range of mouth-watering recipes that are not only satisfying, but also perfect for those who are mindful of their carbohydrate intake while seeking to support their protein needs. Whether you're aiming to shed a few pounds, boost your energy levels, or simply enjoy a more balanced diet, these recipes will provide you with creative and nutritious options to keep you on track. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get cooking as we discover the wonderful possibilities of low-carb, high-protein culinary delights. Recipe 1. Grilled chicken and veggie skewers. We're kicking things off with a classic favorite, grilled chicken and veggie skewers. This dish combines lean protein with an assortment of colorful vegetables, making it a well-rounded and visually appealing meal. Start by marinating bite-sized chicken pieces in a flavorful blend of olive oil, lemon juice, minced garlic, and your favorite herbs. As the chicken absorbs the delicious flavors, prepare an array of veggies like bell peppers, zucchini, and red onion. Thread the marinated chicken and veggies onto skewers and grill them to perfection. The result? Tender, juicy chicken with a satisfying char and a medley of nutrient-packed vegetables. Serve these skewers with a side of quinoa or cauliflower rice for a complete low-carb, high-protein feast. Recipe 2. Cauliflower crust pizza. Who says you have to give up pizza on a low-carb diet? Our second recipe proves that you can still indulge in your favorite comfort foods while keeping it healthy. Introducing the cauliflower crust pizza. Begin by pulsing cauliflower florets in a food processor until they resemble rice. Cook the cauliflower rice and squeeze out excess moisture using a clean kitchen towel. Mix the cauliflower with egg, shredded mozzarella, and your choice of seasonings. Flatten the mixture onto a baking sheet, shaping it into a pizza crust, and bake until golden and crisp. Top your cauliflower crust with tomato sauce, lean protein like grilled chicken or turkey sausage, and plenty of veggies. Sprinkle with low-fat cheese and bake until bubbly. This guilt-free pizza is packed with protein, fiber, and flavor, making it a satisfying treat for any pizza lover. Recipe 3. Zoodles with pesto and shrimp. Next up, we're diving into the world of zoodles, zucchini noodles, a fantastic low-carb alternative to traditional pasta. For this recipe, we'll be creating zoodles with pesto and shrimp. Begin by spiralizing fresh zucchini into noodle-like strands. Sauté the zoodles in a pan with a touch of olive oil until they're tender but still slightly crisp. In a separate pan, cook succulent shrimp seasoned with garlic, red pepper flakes, and a hint of lemon zest. Toss the zoodles and shrimp together with a generous dollop of homemade or store-bought pesto sauce. The result is a light yet satisfying dish that's rich in protein from the shrimp and healthy fats from the pesto. This recipe showcases how swapping out traditional pasta for zoodles can add a refreshing twist to your meals while keeping carbs in check. Recipe 4. Greek yogurt parfait. Who says high-protein dishes are limited to lunch and dinner? Our next recipe brings protein-packed goodness to your breakfast or snack time. Presenting the Greek yogurt parfait. Layer creamy Greek yogurt with a variety of toppings like fresh berries, chopped nuts, and a drizzle of honey. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of protein and probiotics, promoting gut health and keeping you feeling full and satisfied. The natural sweetness of the berries and the crunch of the nuts create a harmonious blend of textures and flavors. This parfait is not only delicious but also incredibly versatile. Feel free to customize it with your favorite fruits and toppings to make it your own. Recipe 5. Black bean and avocado salad. Our final recipe is a refreshing and vibrant black bean and avocado salad. This dish celebrates the combination of protein-rich black beans, creamy avocado, and a burst of fresh vegetables. Start by rinsing and draining canned black beans before tossing them with diced avocado, colorful bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, red onion, and chopped cilantro. For the dressing, whisk together lime juice, olive oil, minced garlic, cumin, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Pour the dressing over the salad and gently mix to coat all the ingredients. This hearty salad is not only a great source of protein and healthy fats but also a fantastic way to enjoy a variety of textures and flavors in every bite. In conclusion, these 5 recipes highlight the incredible range of low-carb, high-protein dishes that can easily become staples in your healthy eating journey. From grilled chicken skewers to zucchini noodles and from cauliflower crust pizza to Greek yogurt parfaits, these recipes prove that you can savor delicious meals without compromising your health goals. Experiment with these recipes, customize them to your preferences, and embark on a flavorful adventure that supports your nutritional needs. Remember, a balanced diet doesn't have to be bland or restrictive. With the right ingredients and a dash of creativity, you can enjoy meals that nourish your body and delight your taste buds. Thank you for joining us in exploring these mouthwatering recipes. If you found this video inspiring and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more nutritious recipe ideas, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tasty update. Until next time, happy cooking and stay healthy.